How to close a Ameriprise account. Ameriprise Financial is a U.S.-based financial services company offering wealth management, financial planning, insurance, and investment solutions. Headquartered in Minneapolis, it provides personalized financial strategies. Before closing your account, review your holdings, such as investments, insurance policies, or retirement accounts. Ensure you understand the implications of closing the account, including potential fees, tax consequences, or penalties. The easiest way to start the process is by calling Ameriprise's customer service at this number. Explain that you want to close your account and ask for guidance on the steps involved. Move funds to another bank or investment account. That's it. Thanks for watching.